What do we say when someone sneezes? The response originates from the 14th century, when Europe was struck by the deadly bubonic plague pandemic, also known as the Black Death. Sneezing was one of the first symptoms. Because most people who caught the plague went on to die from it, over 25 million people, people would say, God bless you, or bless you. So, when someone sneezes, say, bless you. And when you sneeze and someone says, bless you to you, it's polite to say, thank you. How do you respond to a sneeze in your language? Tell me in the comments.